Do you want to learn how to invest using low-cost ETFs here in Singapore? By the end of this video, I'll share with you a little bit about the Fuss-Free Finance foolproof formula on how you can use low-cost ETFs, time-tested strategies to achieve financial independence. Hi, my name's Afiq, Chief Finance Ninja at Fuss-Free Finance. Over the past 10 years, I've helped hundreds of families and individuals kickstart their investing journey using low-cost instruments, really good time-tested strategies so you don't lose money, and put them onto the path of financial independence. So let's get into it. Here are the 3 steps you actually need to start investing in ETFs. Step 1, your investing plan. What exactly is an investing plan? No, it's not a product you can buy. It literally is a plan for you to start investing. Here are a few things that you want to put into your investing plan. Number 1, think about your time. How long will you be invested for? If you're in your 20s and your 30s, you've got a good 20 to 30 years before you even want to think about retirement. And so your time horizon is the key. The longer time you have, the less risky it becomes. 2, you're going to want to think about your objective. Number 1, is it to grow your money? Or number 2, is it to generate some yield or dividends or income for you? Now, once you figure that out, then you know how aggressive or risky you can be. Generally speaking, higher risk equals higher return. And so if your objective is capital growth, and if you're like me in your 30s and you want to grow your money as fast as possible, you want to take a little bit more risk. That means equities or stocks. The third thing you want to include into your investing plan is your strategy. By strategy, I mean what kind of assets you want to put in. Do you want to put in stocks? Do you want to put in bonds? Do you want to put in gold? Also, you want to think about how often you're investing. Is it once a year? Is it just at one time? I recommend every month. We call it dollar cost averaging. We've got another video that goes super deep into how you can come up with an investing plan right here. So folks, step 1 is to come up with your investing plan. It's the most important step. Don't miss out on that. So tell me in the comments below, what are your biggest challenges when it comes to investing? What help do you need? What is the thing you find most difficult about investing? I'll reply to every comment. So you've gotten your investing plan done up. So what's the next step? Step 2 is figuring out the ETFs you want to invest in. Here in Singapore, the choices of ETFs that we have are rather limited, but that's more than enough to build a proper portfolio. Some that really come to mind are the S&P 500 ETF, the Spider Gold ETF, and of course, the bond ETFs. You can find out more from the relevant websites or even on the exchange itself. Now, this isn't any recommendation or endorsement for these ETFs or whether you should buy them or not. You still have to speak to a qualified professional to determine if they're suitable for you. Once you've figured out what ETFs you want to buy and in what proportion to your overall portfolio, it's time to look for a broker. Now, what is a broker? There's plenty of information out there, but some of the best brokers out there charge very, very low fees, are exclusively online, and you can open an account very, very quickly. Now, a platform or a broker gives you something called market access. Market access lets you access that relevant market. For example, if the platform gives you access to the Singapore exchange, you'll be able to purchase ETFs on the SGX or the Singapore exchange. If you're looking for market access to, say, for example, the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ, your platform needs to have market access to the US exchanges. Now you've got the 3-step process on how to start investing in ETFs. Of course, there's a lot more to consider, but this is a start. I'll be writing a guide on how to invest using ETFs and some of the recommended ETFs that I personally have invested in. If you want a copy of that guide, just comment below, "I want my copy." We'll get in touch to send you the link. I also have a secret group of like-minded investors who share investing ideas and ETF tips and tricks. And of course, I'll be there to share the most up-to-date information to help you on your investing journey. If you want in, let us know in the comments below. Do check out some of these videos that we have to help you on your investing journey. Now, if you need help in any way, drop us a comment below, like our video, subscribe, and we'll be in touch. I'm here to share as much as I can. I do this just for you. This is Afiq, Chief Finance Ninja at Fast Refinance. We'll see you at the next one.